Children, you need to be reminded of the order of things. Set an example, brother. Turn their money back into our arms.
Maya! Maya! Wake up, honey.
Let's say a Toro.